Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to connect Microsoft Office Access 2007 to Microsoft Visual Basic 2010. First thing is to create a database to Microsoft Access 2007. I've already created my database. My table students contains ID, last name, first name, course and section. Now I have my database in MS Access. We may now proceed to our Microsoft Visual Basic 2010. I've already created a project. I use Data Grid View. This is the tool that will allow us to show the data in our database created. Then a connect button. For the codings, just double click the connect button. Import system.data.already. We import the class of system.data.already in order for us to use certain codes from already. For the connection of our VB.NET to Access, dimcon as new already.already connection. The provider that I've used is Microsoft.ace.already.12.0 because this is the provider of our Microsoft Access 2007. Data source equals students.accdb. This source is the location or path of our database. For us to not type the source location in our database, I will show you some way. Just copy the database to our Visual Studio 2010. Projects, the name of our project's Access Connection, bin, debug, and paste it here. Now, let's go back to our codings. Let's continue. Dim cmd as new already command. cmd is equal to new already command The query select asterisk from PBL students means that we will select all the data from our table students. Let's continue. Dim DA as already data adapter. This is for us to be able to get the data that we need from the database in MS Access. Then dim dt as new data table, dim ds as new data set. DA is equals to new already data adapter, cmd. ds is equal to new dataset, and da.fill this represents a set of data commands and a database connection that are used to fill our dataset on our MS Access database. It means Our OLEDB data adapter serves as our bridge between a dataset and MS Access for retrieving our data. And now, let's open the connection. Just type con.open. And now we will put it into our data grid view. Just type data grid view that data source is equal to ds.tables the name of our database that default view. For the closing of our connection, just type con.close. Now we're done in our codings. This time we will test the program. Just click the run button. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Here, in our data grid view, the data from our database should appear here when we click our connect button. So let's try to click the connect button. Okay. Now, as you can see, the data in our database in MS Access is now connected to our Microsoft Visual Basic 2010. Now we can say that our connection is successfully done. I'm Christian D. Jaramillas of BSIT 222 from Batangas State University. Thank you for watching.